o'clock in the morning. Today we're going out to 74 Family Fun Park. Haven't been out to the track yet, but it looks fun. It'll be a change of scenery because I'm getting pretty fucking bored of FCP. We loaded up a Toyota last night, so we're all riding in the same truck. Just gotta throw Mike's bike in the truck, and we out. Man, boy, that shit don't get old. Yeah, we do that too. Wow, Mike, you scratch it, bro?
Huh? Yeah.
Flaw.
From, getting fucking dirt nasty out there.
Mike must be broke, bro. He ain't even got golf bike pads for the frame. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you, bitch?
Damn, look at old Betsy.
It's too early to be voting.
You hear him yelling already?
Yo, I don't know what's up with him tonight.
Hey, you know what's weird? Did you get your hat?
No.
I didn't.
I don't wear
I didn't
hat.
get Zeld no money.
Yes, I did.
wear hat.
You didn't mention Reba Motorsports in our vlogs no more.
$35, all yours.
Oh.
$35, right the
I'm just
hood.
saying, I'll told a better price.
Oh, I'm just saying.
What y'all talking about now?
Hey,
Come on now, you see how I'm sliding? Hey, wait. You see Looney Tunes? Oh, okay, that's flexing. Come on now, we flexing.
Yeah, it's 100% from the
White Claw been
You
messing me
remember
up.
what you said last night?
I remember what he
Yeah,
said.
Mike said he was
Keep that same energy, man.
buying.
Oh, hell. No. Hold up.
He's still buying me breakfast. Hey, for real, Jesse, you taking?
Cole, who the fuck you talking to at 6 a.m.?
This motherfucker, this man's sporting.
What happened?
This motherfucker got a flat tire.
Oh my god. Look out! You should have said that first.
Yeah. Hey, yo, LBJ.
Ah!
God damn!
Oh!
Oh, now coming mechanical. Damn, you guys are ugly. Yo, this nigga's strong, boy. Got the whole truck moving. Axle, bro. Look at this thing. Yeah, you gonna yank it there.
Only the strong survive.
Is that okay, needs? Is it
Just fucking throw it out. You're good.
In 1.1 miles.
Damn, right in that part.
Our whole vlog is filled with curse words.
Nah, I feel bad for you though, because apparently your new bike's about to get fucked. You are about to get fucked today.
I got no words for that.
None.
All I gotta say is look at this view.
That man's whack.
Are we supposed to go center? The worst shirt you can see when you walk in is that. Right there.
Alright, thank you guys. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
He was about to kick your ass, bro.
I mean, you can. You got a fat straight at it.
I'll show you what a line. I'll flatland that bitch. I can't. We got dickhead fucking. It's the goal.
Yeah, you should have caught that. Stupid. Hey, let me in here.
Hey, Cole forgot the tear off. That's
I
his
got
excuse
you.
for today.
You got me some? Oh, yeah. I'm ready, baby. I'm ready to spank some ass. That's all. Boy. I don't know, Mike. I'm ready to go back to the fucking street, boy.
One time or one dude 10 times? Which one you doing? Stop sucking the water bottle.
Do you have to finish them off?
Yeah, finish them all off.
It's not a blowjob. Don't.
I'm going 1 dude 10 times.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Oh, he coming in hot, boy. He coming in hot. Whew. Why ain't you hit this yet? Fuck you. It's small.
I hit it.
Oh, I really didn't see it.
Nah.
Anybody see him hit it?
Right before you guys were all filming.
Nah.
I'll hit it, bro.
No, first moto went down. We're out here crushing it.
Yeah, I know some point that need a good clock cleaning.
How about them? They're about to get that shit clean next moto. Fuck.
Look how adorable though with the matching pants.
They're ugly. The guy that's gonna lose first, and then the guy that's gonna lose second. Hey, give me another yawn.
I just yawned.
Yeah, you give me another yawn. That's alright, we're gonna take some dubs out here. Joey already knows how it goes. Mike knows too.
What do I know?
Mike undefeated.
I am
Taking
undefeated.
the dubs. Taking the dubs.
None but dubs.
This shit talk been going on for a hot minute now, and old boy kept being some hoes. Now we got you right where we want you.
Right where we
Now
want.
Cole finally
Look, Jesse
showed
ain't got no energy, bro. He ain't.
I don't want to hear it, Jesse. I'll tell you what. You win, I'll get you that blue shoes.
a lot of swag involved in it.
Oh. I think I shit my pants.
I thought I heard that and then I thought it was my boot.
Alright, Cole, what happened?
Hey, since these cats can only do 2 laps, we're gonna have to do one more moto after this. That's it.
Oh, we got the overall.
No.
Like the overall?
Straight up, 2 laps. That's it. Because that's all these guys can do is 2
I
laps.
did at least 5 in front of you guys and then
What do you mean?
Yes, you happened.
Shit.
how many laps did we do until I fell? I don't know, man. I already stopped by the time you
three.
crashed. I was chilling on the side of the
Oh, you crashed? Where?
in the very back.
I got the 3rd lap.
So I went past him. I was like, that's a dub.
Y'all couldn't catch the kid, boy. The kid was in front of y'all. Joey got me when I pulled over. He would have caught me anyways, but y'all boys, y'all slow, nigga.
Oh, so we add you to it next.
Huh?
Okay, I want to go head to head.
Next moto.
I'll go head to head with one person.
What the fuck is this? This isn't Paris?
I got money on myself.
Hey, we're gonna go to the gate next. We're gonna drop the gate.
Why'd you fucking take off?
Yeah, you took off.
We were all right here. You just fucking.
So, well, wait, I didn't even see you guys pull over. So I just.
They were behind you. You went right past me. I was
I
right
was
here.
behind you.
I thought you took off.
was a factual statement. I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
They look alike. I don't even know what to do.
Loud noises.
I'm gonna tell
Hey,
you what, these two
listen.
are my fucking bitches, alright? They do what I fucking say. Jesse, you don't get to say that after you took last all day long. Stop it. Trying to stunt for the vlog, nigga. I can't.
Tell
I'll
him he
beat
took
you.
first in
Listen.
practice.
I'll get in my shorts and we can go do one more fucking lap out there.
Oh, tell him he took first in practice.
But yeah, you got your first place practice.
Hey,
winner
but
right here.
Ronnie always says, if you ain't first in practice,
Just go home.
just
Me
go
and Joey
home.
threw the biggest whip, so it's down to you two.
That is true.
What the fuck is wrong with this kid?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Jesse was fucking throwing them.
Don't fucking. Yo, these gnats are fucking me up, man.
Maybe that's what it is. Jesse's
he's in
more of like a
second gear.
Jesse's more of like a freestyle
I
kind
got-
guy.
Yeah, sit me. They call
I'm
me
more
Axel
of a go
Jr.
out and hit one section and whip it kind of guy. God damn, stroke it.
Silly ass.
Big tough.
Thought he could.
Big tough.
Wish you could.
Get a clue.
I'll take the green one, head ass.
Hey, how many retards did it take to get in the trailer?
Hold up. Oh.
Grandma, my foot. That's our friend.
Huh?
That's our friend.
That's your fucking brother.
Whoa, hold
Twin
up, I got a
brother.
text
Yo, that
message
you're
that says-
related to him.
I
not
have
Who-
a text message that says otherwise.
Yeah, who was born first?
Jesse, but I'm the dominant.
Jan.
Heard that.
You're his
I
bitch,
wanna know why,
Jan.
'cause you pushed
What
his
you
ass
mean?
out.
I just beat him all day. I
You
beat his
did.
booty. You don't never want to run over his bike, bruh.
Hurt.
I did the oil in the filter. It's good. It's good. It's
You don't
perfect.
need bolts to hold in the motor when you're going so goddamn fast.
Riding weird. Hey, alright, so. What game?
Best 2 out of 3.
Best 2 out of 3?
Right.
Push you.
Ready? Hey, what's that on your legs?
Penis.
He's trying to play
Hey.
you for a fool.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I told you, I was going rock. You had your chance.
Let's go.
Now,
Let's go.
I'm finna fuck you.
Now
What is
cheese.
that on your leg, nigga? Alright, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You stupid motherfucker.
I got him.
Motherfucker, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I don't even know.
Get in the middle. Get in the middle, boy.
Damn, Cole got money.
This includes the first 60 miles, and then you gotta pay extra.
My husband brought.
Get out, man. Cause I'm getting tickled, I got pee bad. Stop, man. Stop.
He's pissing as we speak.
In that water.
Yeah, I'll match it.
Look at this guy. This guy. All right, playboy.
I'm gonna go and look at him. Looks like I handled your girl. Whoa.
Okay, no, you out of pocket.
Right here.